My name's Bo. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Lithic. We make it really easy for companies to issue debit and credit cards. So historically, if you wanted to issue a card, you'd have two options. Turnkey, really inflexible and rigid, or this long drawn out implementation process that would take years and millions of dollars outlay. We've broken that dichotomy by making it really easy with primitives that are relatively flexible and you can mix and match. Our broader goal is to build financial infrastructure that just works. So that includes everything from APIs that developers love to reporting that's robust and flawless for enterprises so they can trust. And the reason why this is important is actually, if you look at the financial system, a lot of the reason why it's broken is actually sort of this underlying infrastructure and supply chain. So we think that by fixing the supply chain and lowering the barriers to building new products, everybody wins. One of the things that I'm most excited about this year is our move up market. When you look at players in our space, in the card issuing space, that have been built over the past 10 years, there's really not that many modern players that have been battle tested and moved billions and billions of dollars in transaction volume. So I'm excited to take the scale that we've built and scaled with our existing customers and apply it to a new customer segment this year. In terms of how embedded fintech is shaping the 21st century, I think if you look at the past decade, it's become really clear that software is eating the world, and software will continue to eat the world. As part of that, fintech will become more and more embedded in our lives, and you'll have more contextual, better to use products. And in general, I think the end customers, may they be businesses or individuals, will ultimately win. I think one interesting piece of wisdom that comes to mind for me now in times of turbulence is that things are rarely as good or as bad as they seem. It's a huge honor to be recognized on the Embedded Fintech 50 list. It's a real testament to everything we've built as a team, but there's always so much more to do.